The download link to this indicator will be in the description and it's 100% free. So there are many ways of installing indicators. The other way you can is simply by double clicking on the indicator while your MetaTrader 5 is open. When that happens, simply navigate to your navigator and click and hold and drag it to the chart and simply click OK, and your chart is going to change and to start looking like this. Okay, so this is crash 1000. It's an index from Deriv. So with this indicator, it does work on all time frame. So to better make use of it to your favor, it's advisable to use it on a higher time frame. That's when the chart will start making sense and start looking better. So let me try to go in a 15-minute time frame and see how it will look like. Okay, now this makes sense. Let me try to zoom out. Okay, so as you can see, this indicator does not repaint. Why is that so? Okay, so as you can see over here, we have got some red candles. If this indicator was repainting, it means that from this point to this point we would have had green candles without any red candles. So try it out in any of your current pairs, indices, or anything you trade, and to definitely help you out in knowing more about trends, if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So in this case, green is for an uptrend and red is for a downtrend. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe.